Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about left join in SQL. With this function we can pull out the data from one table plus the data which are in both tables. And here you can see table 1 and table 2, and here you can see in both tables we have ACF in both tables. So whenever we combine this data, the result will be this table plus this, the things we have in both tables. So here, for example, so I want to run my query. So first of all, I just write the structure, select and from, and here I want to write the name of the tables, and here table B. So I have to name this as employee. So I want to join this use the left join. Table A as department on. So I join these two tables based on department ID. So instead of writing the name of table, so I just use these names. Employee dot department equal to department dot department ID. And here under the select we cannot write just the name or role or department ID, because we work with more than one table. So we have to address the column with its table. So here I just write here employee dot, and here I have to choose the name. So I have to name it also as employee name, comma, and employee dot role as role, comma, department dot name as department name. And here you can see, so I just run my query, and here you can see the result. Here you can see I have the employee names, all of them, 1 2 3. I have 6 employee here, and in table B when I come here you can see I have this 6 employee here. But here you can see for the department I have this null. It means it's not in both tables. So Mary Martin is not in department table, because of that it's null, and we just have this 5 in department table. So that's it about the left function. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.